Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to connect domain to Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC and log into Shopify using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this Shopify's dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be in the general page of your Shopify. Here, click on the search icon at the top and search for domains. Or you can simply click on the domains icon at the left of this screen from these tools and you will see this page where you can click on buy new domain or click on connect existing domain. So we can click on connect existing domain and in this field you'll have to enter the domain that you want to connect. So just copy the domain that you want to connect, paste it here in this field and click on next. When you click on next, you'll be successfully promoted to the page where you can connect your domain, do the settings, click on connect. After that, you would have successfully connected your domain to Shopify. So that's how you connect domain to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.